Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select your front plane, sketch, normal, create center lines, select line, create one rough sketch, give the dimensions. This height is 60 mm. This is 20 minus. This is 30 mm. Next, this side is here to here 80, 85. This is 28. First, give this dimension. Now this is 80. Here to here 32 mm. Overall length is 200. That's it, finish sketch. Extrude. Here select the symmetric. Width we required 80 mm. Next, give the fillet 28 mm. Next, select this surface, sketch. Select reference lines, close. Create one center line here. Select circle. This dimension is 5 mm. Select line. Close this. Select delete segment. Delete the unwanted lines. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Reverse the direction. Here select up to. Next surface. Select this surface. Select fillet. Dimension is 5 mm. Select the edges. Next, there is a one tap hole. For that, select hole. We required standard holes, ISO. Tap size is thread size ISO. Tap size we can give 14 mm, M14 into 2. Depth 36 is okay. give the dimensions. From this side 40 mm, next this is 5 mm. Finish sketch. You can see the note is there. You can delete this note if you don't require, or you can hide this. Next there is a one cutout. Select this surface, sketch, reference lines, create one center line also, select line, give the dimensions. This is 36 mm, here to here 36 by 2, mm, 16 mm. Or you can give the symmetric condition also if you require. This height is 22, this height is also 22. So finish sketch, extrude, reverse direction, remove material. Here you can select through hole. So you can compare the both the drawings. All the features are completed. You can assign the material here. Go to view, select appearances, names and thumbnails. You can see there are lot of materials here. You can assign as per your requirements. So I will go with PTC standard steel. Select the entire body, apply. Go to edit model appearances, select the color wheel. We can change the color like this. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also if you required any ISO drawings, you can leave the comment below with your details. I will definitely send you. And also friends, I am reaching 1000k subscribers. Please do subscribe and hit the like buttons to better reach. So thanks for watching this session, friends.